vectors. We know that vector is a physical quantity which has both magnitude and direction. The general form of a vector is vector A is equal to xi plus yj plus zk, where x comma y comma z are called the scalar component of the vector A, and xi comma yj comma zk are called the vector component of the vector A. See, next, this vector also can be written as x comma y comma z, this notation, x comma y comma z. The magnitude of this vector is, magnitude of vector A is equal to, it is denoted by this symbol root x square plus y square plus z square. Magnitude of vector is square root of x square plus y square plus z square. Next concept, position vector. Position vector of a point. Position vector of a point. Suppose a point A, the coordinate of the point A is x1 comma y1 comma z1. A point A is given in the space x-axis or x-axis, y-axis, z-axis is the origin. 0 comma 0 comma 0 is the origin. The position O, I take O. The position vector of a point A is a vector whose initial point is at origin OA. OA is the position vector of the point A. It is denoted by OA. Is the position vector of the point A. Initial point at the origin. The position vector of the point B is OB. The position vector of the point C is vector OC, and so on. ಎಲ್ಲಿಯಾದರೂ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬಂತು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ತಗೊಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಆದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಉಂಟಾ? ಪೊಸಿಷನ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಈಸ್ OA, the position vector of the point B is OB, and the position vector of the point C is OC. Next, let AB be a vector. AB a point is a vector joining the point C and B. I take another point B here. AB is a vector, means the vector joining the points A and B. Any vector AB can be written as, in terms of position vector, AB is equal to OB minus OA. OB minus OA. Similarly, PQ can be written as OQ minus OP. Not OP minus OQ. Confuse ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿಕ್ಕಿಲ್ಲ. PQ, vector PQ is equal to OQ minus OP. RS is equals to, vector RS is equals to OS minus OR. OS minus OR. Important ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೀನಿ. First problem. Find the vector joining the points 2, 3, 0 P, 2, 3, 0 and Q minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, directed from P to Q, PQ. Find the vector PQ. The point is given. Any vector PQ can be written as PQ is equals to, in terms of position vector, OQ minus OP. OQ minus OP. The point P is given. The point P is 2, 3, 0. The position vector of the point P is OP is equal to 2i plus 3j plus 0k. And the position vector of the point Q is OQ is equals to, the point Q is minus 1, minus 2, minus 4, minus 2i minus 2j minus 4k. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ 2 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, 2, 3, 0. ದಿಸ್ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಇಸ್ minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. therefore vector pq is equals to, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರೀತೀನಿ, ಯಾವುದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದನ್ನು ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, q minus p, q minus p, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್, minus 2 here minus 2 minus 2 ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ minus 4i minus 4i here minus 2 minus 3 minus 5j minus 4 minus 0 q minus p minus 4 minus 0 is minus 4k is our vector pq, our vector pq. ಅದೇ ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಫೈಂಡ್ qp ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ qp is equals to op minus oq. ಇದು ಇದರದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. pq is equals to qp is equals to op minus oq. p minus q, p minus q, p ಅಲ್ಲಿ q ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 2 minus of minus 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 is 4i first element. Next 3 minus of minus 2, 3 plus 2 5, 5j. 0 minus of minus 4 plus 4 plus 4k is the required answer. Next problem. Second one, if the position vector of a point, if a position vector of a point a is I plus 2j minus k, and the position vector of the point b is minus I plus j plus k, then find vector AB and vector BA. Vector AB and vector BA. See, here the position vector of a point is given. Therefore, point A is given. Point A ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ here? Point A is ith position. 1, 2, minus 1. The point B is the position vector means point. ನೆನಪಿರಲಿ, minus 1, 1, 1. Therefore, the position vector of the point A is given. OA is equal to ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಇದು 1i plus 2j minus 1k. The position vector of the point B, OB, is equal to minus 1i plus 1j plus 1k. ಇದನ್ನ ವೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಹೀಗೆ ನೋಟೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ 1, 2, minus 1. ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? this one minus 1, 1, 1, minus 1, 1, 1. Therefore, vector AB is equals to OB minus OA. OB B minus A ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, B minus A, minus 1 minus of 1, minus 1 minus 1 minus 2i. Second element 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 minus 1k j. 1 minus of minus 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2k is our vector AB. Next find BA. BA is equal to OA minus OB. A ಅಲ್ಲಿ B ನ ಮೈನಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A minus B. 1 minus of minus 1, 1 plus 1 is 2i. 2 minus 1, 1j. minus 1 minus 1 minus 2k. is our vector BA.